19 First Alert meteorologist Sam Roberts starting us off. So is there any hope for warmer weather on the horizon, Sam?
You know, I wish. I mean, it will get warmer by a few degrees, right? We'll at least get to about 30 this weekend, which is better than the last couple of days, but it's still well below average. And we have more snow on the way. I'm jumping way ahead to Friday because this is not lake effect. This starts as a system snow, which means even outside of the snow belt, we're going to get some snow late Friday afternoon all the way through the day on Saturday. This should be pretty widespread initially, especially on Friday evening and early Saturday. Then that lake effect will take over second half of the day Saturday. So we'll see accumulating snow, more travel headaches with this. I know it's probably not what you want to hear. I feel like we've had several easier winters and this one really kind of off to a bang. It's 26 in Cleveland right now, but it feels like 16. Feels like 12 in Akron. We call that the wind chill. It just looks cold outside. We're not currently seeing any lake effect, but I think after 7 o'clock tonight, we will have that lake effect snow redeveloping. So plan for scattered snow tonight into the day tomorrow, and we could see an additional 1 to 3 inches of snow where those bands set up. We'll take an early look at the weekend and talk about maybe if we'll experience anything warmer coming up here in my first alert forecast.
Sam Roberts joining us now with a cold forecast.
Yeah, you know, we cannot break out of this pattern. It's just like day after day of temperatures that are below freezing. And some days they're like well below freezing. It's been several days now since we've hit 32 or higher. And now we have more snow on the way. Maybe not what you want to hear, but this is January in Cleveland. I know the last several winters we've been kind of spoiled, right? We haven't had a ton of snow in most areas, but this is more typical, right? What you would expect, a fairly widespread snow coming in during the evening. This would be likely after 4 or 5 o'clock. And again, this is Friday. We're jumping ahead because this is our next widespread threat for snow. Expect scattered snow overnight Friday into Saturday. This is a lower resolution model, so it looks, if you will, a little bit worse than what we're expecting. System snow moving away by mid-morning on Saturday, but then some lake effect will develop through the afternoon. I think in general, just area-wide, about 2 to 4 inches of snow with this, and then we add on that lake effect. That's where we'll see some higher totals. Not much snow out there today, but it sure feels like, and it looks like it could snow at any moment. It's 24 in Worcester, but with the wind factored in on your exposed skin, it feels like 12, feels like 16 in Cleveland. We call that the wind chill, or feels like temperature. Again, we're quiet now, but I think after 7 we will see some lake effect snow developing, and this will continue through the evening. Not a ton of accumulation with this. The biggest issue tonight, just really the cold. Our snowfall accumulation kind of measly with this system. This is just through tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning. I think we see a general 1 to 3 where a squall's set up, but if we get a good squall going, somebody will end up with over 3 inches of snow. We have that additional chance for some scattered lake effect tomorrow. Tomorrow's big weather story, also the cold. So the top number is the air temperature. The bottom number is the wind chill. So for example, 1 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, 24. Feeling like it's 12. I think the wind chill's super important because, you know, a lot of us, you just run outside, no gloves on, no hat, just to do something really quick and come back in. So that's what it feels like when you go outside with no hat or gloves. Yeah, I know. And more cold weather through the end of the week. You'll notice Friday we have that threat for some late day snow. That snow continues into Saturday. We never hit freezing this weekend. We still stay below 32. So snow on the ground, obviously not melting, and not much sun to help us out either.